this is just another reason why they are known as the ocean's top predator. Their scientific name is Orca, and their common name is killer whale. These 5 whales have their own personal names. The females, Sakara, Sakari, and Kamea, and joining us out front are the males, Tiwar and Kayuke. Kamea is our youngest whale at just 9 years old, and Takara is our oldest whale at 32 years old. Takara is also the matriarch of our whale pod, which means she's the leader. These whales trust us and take an active role in their own health and well-being. Through the use of positive reinforcement training techniques, we teach them husbandry or healthcare behaviors. Trainers Malin and Kylan are joining us in the slide outs now to demonstrate some of those behaviors for you today. Now, one of the first behaviors we teach our whales are called a fluke present, in which the whale will present their tail flukes to their trainers, just as Stuart is demonstrating for us now. Now, not only in this position can we get a really good look at his entire body, but we also have access to the easy-to-see shallow veins on the white underside of his tail flukes. Our veterinarians collect blood samples from those veins at least once a month, and our whales are conditioned to remain calm throughout the entire procedure. Now, throughout today's presentation, you'll see the trainers giving the whales back massages, maybe a pectoral flipper massage, even a massage on their tail flukes. Killer whales have very sensitive skin, and this is a great way for us to build our relationship with them. Now, collecting blood is just one of the ways that we can ensure our animals are healthy and thriving. Another important diagnostic is how much each animal weighs. We weigh our whales once a week by asking this life out of the water onto a killer whale size scale. Now, as you'll notice with Kayuke, there is still a large portion of his body in the water, from his dorsal fin all the way down to his tail flukes. That is called the peduncle, and it's made up of several large, powerful muscles that can weigh easily over several hundred pounds. So in order to record it accurately, we will ask him to lift his head and tail up and out of the water. And that's how we know as of Monday morning, Kayuki is weighing in at just under 9,600 pounds. It's important to weigh all of our whales to make sure our younger whales like Kamea and Sakari are growing appropriately, and our older whales like Kayuki here and Sakara are maintaining a healthy weight. These husbandry behaviors help us to ensure our animals are healthy and thriving.
And the care isn't just physical. Mental stimulation and play are vital, and we surprise and engage with our whales every opportunity. Play is how killer whales teach their young to hunt, and for the adults, play is important too. It seems that they just enjoy having fun. Making time for play is an important part of life for killer whales, and for us.
Now, observational learning and mimicry play a critical role in a killer whale's life. From the moment they are born, they learn necessary life skills by watching and playing follow the leader with their mothers and other members of the pod. Here at SeaWorld, these whales can play follow the leader with us by mimicking our movements. So we're going to play a game with our new friend, London. So London, go ahead and give Tuar a big wave hello, and let's see what happens. Look at that, he is paying close attention to you. Killer whales have excellent eyesight both above and below the water, and are also very curious. We often see our whales spy hopping or jumping completely out of the water to get a better view of their surroundings. That is called the sighting valve, and we're going to demonstrate one for you now. Very nice, London. Tuar saw you, and he is now headed to the bottom of this 40-foot habitat to jump up and out of the center. Beautiful. Now, on the other side of our habitat, we are joined by our new friend Jonathan to talk about how killer whales communicate. Killer whales can communicate in a variety of ways, and the use of vocalizations is just one of them. So let's ask Kayuki to demonstrate one for us now. Kayuki, that sounded may be a way of making their presence known. You see, sound waves travel 4.5 times faster through water than it does through air. And so when a killer whale leaps out and crashes on the surface, that's called a breach. And that sound can be heard for miles around. Oh my goodness, Jonathan! You are soaking wet! What happened? That was not supposed to happen. We're so sorry. Luckily we have a towel for you to dry off. Thank you for being such a great sport. Ladies and gentlemen,